If you think the Apple TV is just a shiny box for Netflix, you've been played. For the last few years, Apple has let this product sit in the shadows. It's been the quietest device in their lineup, while the iPhone and the Mac took all the glory. But right now, as we speak, something is happening behind the closed doors of Apple Park that is about to turn your living room into a high-tech battlefield. We aren't just talking about a faster processor or a new remote. We're talking about the Apple TV 4K 2026, a device so powerful it is designed to kill the gaming console, replace your smart home hub, and become the eyes and ears of your house. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are currently using a smart TV's built-in software, or if you're still rocking a second or third gen Apple TV, you need to pay attention. There is a March Madness coming to the tech world, and the center of it isn't a phone. It's this box. In this video, we are peeling back the layers on the massive silicon upgrade, the secret FaceTime integration, and the price war that Apple is about to start with Amazon and Google. If you think you know what a streaming box can do, you are about to realize you've only been seeing 10% of the picture. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the A18 Pro. For the first time ever, Apple is skipping several generations of chips to put a 3nm powerhouse inside a fanless TV box.
Why?
Why would you need that much power to watch Ted Lasso? The answer is simple and terrifying for Sony and Microsoft: console-class gaming. With the A18 Pro, Apple is finally bringing hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the big screen. We aren't talking about mobile games anymore. We are talking about Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed running natively on your TV with no latency. No cloud streaming. No bulky PS5 taking up space. This is the moment the Apple TV stops being a media player and starts being a living room console. But there's a catch that no one is talking about. To run these games, Apple is rumored to be doubling the RAM to 8 GB. This isn't just for graphics, it's for Apple Intelligence. Imagine a Siri that actually works. A Siri that has watched every movie with you, knows your favorite actors, remembers that you hated the ending of that one sci-fi show, and can literally summarize a 2-hour movie for you in 10 seconds. This is the generative Siri that is debuting with tvOS 26.4. It's a personalized AI assistant that lives inside your television. It can create custom watch lists based on your mood, find that one scene you remember but can't name, and even edit your home videos directly on the big screen. Now, let's talk about the hardware leaks that have the industry shaking. There is a persistent rumor about the liquid glass design. While the external box might look similar, the internal cooling system has been completely reimagined. Apple is using a new thermal compound that allows the A18 Pro to run at max clock speeds without ever needing a fan. It is silent, it is deadly, and it is thinner than ever. But the real star of the show is the N1 chip. This is Apple's proprietary networking silicon. While the rest of the world is struggling with Wi-Fi 6, the Apple TV 4K 2026 is jumping straight to Wi-Fi 7. If you have a high-end router, we are talking about multi-gigabit speeds over the air. No more buffering. No more low-quality starts to your 4K streams. It's instant, 100% of the time. But here is where it gets